bird netting, trying to get the babies. I don't know if he's savable. He's pretty. I don't know how long he's been here, but his head just got caught right at the beginning down here. We'll try to get him out. It's not looking so good for him though. Hey buddy, you bite me. I'm trying to help you. Stop wrapping yourself around me. Been here, but it's, yeah, he might live. Alright, I'm gonna turn you loose, buddy. Once I do, oh, he got himself wrapped around my arm, and he's wrapped around this little planter. You're gonna have to let go of me, my friend. Hey, you gotta let go of me. If you don't let go of me, I'm not gonna free your mouth, because I don't want to get bit. He done coiled himself around my arm, and he's coiled around this little wrought iron thing here. Alright, let's get your head out of there. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Now let me get that stuff off your head. Let's see if you survive. Smelling a little. Smelling a little right, buddy. I don't know how long you've been there. Surprised the dogs didn't see you or smell you. Stop. He's very adamant about getting me. He really wants to get me. If somebody knows a better way to keep snakes from getting my bluebirds, I'd really appreciate it. Make something that they just can't climb, because they're so good at climbing. You really wrap that shit around them good. First time I seen them get caught like that. Alright. Alright. Okay. Alright. Alright. I think he might be alright. I don't know. He seems a little out of it. Go on, brother. Go on. Yeah, you got a little... Look, I tried to help you, man. Snakes, man. You just can't do anything nice for them. They just get pissed at you. Go on. Yeah. He's all kinds of mad. He's ready to strike at me. Pretty sure rat snakes can't really strike. I saved your life. I saved you. Look at him. I saved your life. Be gone. A couple more 20, 30 more minutes, you might have just died from exposure, whatever they call it. Go on. Yeah, I think he's gonna be alright. Just got his neck a little twisted. He'll be alright. Go on, buddy. He lives under my porch. Oh, snakes are beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright, baby, stop it. There he goes. Hey guys, rat snake tried to get you. Oh, I hope y'all fledge soon because the rat snakes are coming. And they know you are freaking up here. Hey guys, pretty birds. And that's how you figure out a rat snake from bird netting. And the bluebirds are the ones that let me know that there was a problem. They were just out here chirping and hollering and squawking. Yeah. I knew there was something going on. And sure enough, that snake was just wrapped up here. He tried to go in right here, and then he tried to back out, and he couldn't back out because the scales get caught on the netting. And he was just stuck there. Crazy.